Welcome Libra to my channel Tarot Queen 777. This is your reading from November 19th to November 30th. I'll be picking cards for your relationship and then your career. Let's start with relationship. Let's see what this deck has to say. Actions speak louder than words. You may give a lot of words, but you also have to match it up with action, with equal action, because what you do is more visible than what you say, you know. So let's pick three cards in the past, three cards in the present, and three cards in the future, Libra, for your relationship. And let's pick the challenge and then let's clarify each of those cards with three cards. So let's see. You have the Page of Pentacles, you have the Empress, you have Temperance in the past. In the present, you have the Four of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Five of Cups. In the future, you have the King of Swords, the Five of Swords, and the Tower. And your challenge is the Star. And what you don't see at the bottom of the deck is Eight of Swords. What you don't see coming is like a period of stress, a period of reflection, a period of looking within and really understanding where you can go wrong and what you should do when you know, not to repeat past mistakes. So a period of self-reflection. So the thing is that Libra, you come from a space of great balance. You are known to be the most balanced sign in the zodiac. You come from a place of deep balance. You've got a lot of pentacles cards, so work may be taking up a lot of your mental space, and you don't really have time for the relationship. You may have kind of distanced yourself a little bit from the person on your mind, or this person may be giving you space so that you can navigate your career. In the future, you have the King of Swords, the Five of Swords, and the Tower. Expect some kind of communication that is going to throw you off guard. It is going to completely sweep the rug from under your feet and cause you to feel unbalanced. It's going to come as a little bit of a shock to you. Now let's clarify each of these cards. Let's first clarify the Star. The Star is clarified by the Page of Cups, the Seven of Wands, and the Four of Cups. While you are trying to manifest something in this relationship, be rest assured that you could be over pressuring the other person's intentions with your own intentions. Okay? The Page of Pentacles is clarified by the Seven of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, and the Six of Cups. So you're kind of holding yourself back. And of course, career is topmost on your mind. This relationship is not that high on priority. Your career takes more space, You're quite kind of focused on your career. And you're kind of holding yourself back. You're holding your emotions back. The Empress is clarified by the Five of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Tower. So while there is a sense of abundance, there is a sense of, having enough. Not everything is going your way. You've got the Tower twice, you've got the Five of Wands twice. So not everything is going your way. Expect some kind of conflict, some kind of argument. Okay, the Temperance is clarified by the Emperor, the King of Swords, and the Hermit. If you are a man, then you have a very strong footing in this dynamic. And if you are a woman, then and in a heterosexual relationship, the man in the relationship has a greater say right now in the dynamics of the relationship than the feminine energy. The Four of Pentacles, which signifies you're kind of holding back, is clarified by the Nine of Cups that justifies it. the Hanged Man, and the Moon. So you're kind of in a limbo, kind of holding yourself back from expressing yourself fully. You are navigating your career far more seriously than you are your emotions. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles is clarified by the Eight of Swords, Temperance, and Three of Pentacles. So expect to take more responsibility, more collaboration, more responsibility with this person going forward in the future. The Five of Cups, which signifies that you may have kind of distanced yourself from this person, or this person may have distanced themselves from you for some time, a period of silence, is clarified by the Ten of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, and the Strength. But even as you are not saying everything that needs to be fully said, you're not really opening your heart, the emotions are very strong, you know. The King of Swords is clarified by the Seven of Cups, the Three of Wands, and the World. Expect a certain cycle to come to an end. Expect to explore more aspects of this person's nature and personality. Expect to explore more in life in general from November 19th to November 13th, and expect a certain cycle to come to an end. If you have kind of moved away from someone, expect closure, expect peace of mind. Okay, Five of Swords is clarified by the Nine of Wands, the Judgment, and the Queen of Swords. So yeah, you're looking, your passion and your practicality don't meet each other these coming few days. You're being very biased, very biased, yeah. The Tower is clarified by the King of Cups, the Hierophant, and the Three of Swords. So yes, there will be some conflict, there will be some kind of unpalatable communication, there will be something that will shake you in your relationship. So just brace yourself for that, Libra. That's all I have for you for relationship. Let's take a look at your career. Let's take a look at your career. Let's pick 3 cards in the past, 3 cards in the present, and 3 cards in the future. You've got the Nine of Swords. You've got the Three of Cups. You've got Justice. You've got the Empress. You've got Judgment. You've got Temperance. You've got the Ten of Wands. You've got the Queen of Swords, and you've got the King of Swords. Okay. And what you don't see in the shadow is the Sun. So the thing is that despite stressful times, despite having too much on your plate, maybe, you don't see the brighter side of things, Things are not as bad as they seem. You will be exploring different ways of doing the same thing, okay? And expect justice. Expect things to come into a balance, okay? Presently, currently, things are pretty good. You've maintained your composure. You have a sense of abundance. You have enough. You have enough. And in the near future, you expect your mind to be taken over by practical concerns. Emotions don't rule your heart right now. Practicality does. So that is what I have for you for career, Libra. Let's see what the Gita cards have to say. Let's see what the Gita cards have to say. You've got tolerance. So, when we interact with the world, we get a lot of different things from our environment. But not everything is what we seek or what we want. So the thing is that one has to kind of endure. These coming few days you'll have to endure quite a bit. So tolerance, becoming more tolerant, becoming more enduring. So that's all I have for you, Libra. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you want a more personalized reading, the details are in the description box. Thank you so much.